Nissan Navara ZD30 fuel pump change. So what's up everyone? Welcome to the Prime Tech Automotive YouTube channel, guys. So I'm going to show you step by step how to replace the fuel pump right way on this ZD30 3-liter engine. So if you're experiencing hard to start, power loss or fuel delivery issues, there's a good chance that fuel pump could be the problem. And also the fault code, which is 72 or P0104, P1272, or P0089. So those fault codes usually stored as when the fuel pump is faulty. So I'll walk you through the removal process, the tools you need. Maybe I'm not going to go through all the tools you need. And main key things, proper installation procedure. So grab your tools. Let's get started. So don't miss the point. There are some important points that's showing on the video. So hope you guys like this video. So the fuel pump is located under the inlet manifold. So you need to make the access to get into the fuel pump. So removing battery, removing radiator is the easiest way that you can access to required nut and bolts. Once you remove the required components, so you need to access to the timing chain. So make sure before you remove the timing chain, so you remove the timing cover and turn the engine clockwise and then align the timing marks. On the video, you can see the timing marks clearly as I see it. So once you align the timing mark, you can remove the timing tensioner, which tensioner is located behind the alternator on this ZD30 model. So you remove the tensioner, then you get the slack on the timing chain, then you can remove the timing chain. And then, as I'm showing on the video, if you keep watching it, you will see how I remove the injector pump out and install the new pump. So one more important step, guys. There's a scissor gear on the injector pump. There is a hole which I'm putting a 10mm bolt to lock up the scissor gear. Do not forget to do this. If you do not lock up this scissor gear, you can install the pump, you will have some other issues with the internal timing gears. So that scissor gear, you are not locking up the injector pump. That's a different scissor gear which goes with the crankshaft. So before you removing the injector pump, you need to make sure you are locking up this scissor gear. So watch until the end. You will see that where that locking bolt is. I will highlight it on the video where that bolt go. So, and I did the correct timing procedure. I installed the pump correctly, and then I started the engine. No issues at all. So I hope this video helps if someone do this. I know in the USA these jobs are very expensive, and if you're doing by yourself, I think this video might help you. I did my best to cover all the steps on the video without missing any, so that might help someone. If you think this video helps, hit the like button, subscribe it, comment your ideas. Your subscription is very important to grow my channel. So see how we go.
पंप पे डीजल में